Got 26 here, just at Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies. And here's little Mr. Frog down there. We got a tomato plant. And we got 2 eggplant over here. And we've got over here, let me walk you over here. We've got a mint plant right there. Parsley. Another eggplant. Pepper plant. I believe that's the orange variety. Another eggplant. Some flowers. And we have string beans. They're climbing ones, and they climb up through the gate. And cucumbers down there. So that's the garden for this year. It's really economical to plant your own stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And we offer membership now. Bye for now. Thumbs up.